Here I have OnePlus Ace 3, and today I'm going to show you how to how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself password, PIN or pattern, and unfortunately you forget it and can't even access your device now. So in this kind of situation, firstly you'll have to turn your device off by holding down power key plus volume up like this, then slide power off, and after device completely turns off, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and after the screen turns on and you can see OnePlus logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. So in the following menu you should select English, I guess, then select format data, enter the verification code, like you won't have this specific code but you have your own unique code, so you just enter it, then tap format, and after a few seconds all the data from your device will be formatted and then it will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.